The Happy Family Picnic. Once upon a time, in a cozy little town nestled amidst rolling green hills, lived a family of four: Mom, Dad, Emily, and Jack. They were the happiest family in the neighborhood, always laughing, playing, and making memories together. One sunny Saturday morning, Mom and Dad decided it was the perfect day for a family picnic in the nearby meadow. They packed a delicious lunch, grabbed a checkered blanket, and off they went, hand in hand, with Emily and Jack skipping joyfully beside them. As they reached the meadow, they spread out their blanket under the shade of a large oak tree. The birds were chirping, the sun was shining, and everything felt just right. Mom unpacked the picnic basket, revealing a mouth-watering assortment of sandwiches, fruits, and homemade cookies. Jack's eyes lit up at the sight of the cookies, while Emily eagerly helped Mom arrange the sandwiches on colorful plates. They sat together, enjoying their picnic feast, laughing and sharing stories. Dad told funny jokes, Mom recounted tales from her childhood, and Emily and Jack giggled at each other's antics. After lunch, Dad suggested they play some games. They played tag, flew a kite, and even had a friendly race across the meadow. No matter who won or lost, they were all winners because they were together as a family. As the sun began to set, they packed up their picnic and headed back home, their hearts full of love and laughter. That night, as they tucked into bed, Emily and Jack fell asleep with smiles on their faces, dreaming of their next family adventure. And so, the Happy Family Picnic became a cherished memory, a reminder of the simple joys of spending time together and the love that binds families forever. From that day on, they made a promise to have many more picnics and create countless more happy memories together.